Did you try already Looker Studio Pro? I didn't, but I want to check it. Hey, my name is Gala. I'm Looker Studio expert and the founder of Gala Reports. On my website, you can find a lot of Looker Studio templates for marketing and sales, and you can order a custom Looker Studio dashboard and find a lot of information on my blog about Looker Studio and Google Sheets for marketing. Let's come back to our topic of the day. What do I want to know? I wanted to check what is Looker Studio Pro and what the difference with Looker Studio. So there is an article in Google Cloud, and I checked it, and I want to observe what do we have. First of all, they have 30 days trial. I bought my license just right now, so it's my trial just started. How did I do it? So I go to Enterprise Admin. Here I can set up that my Pro subscriptions, and here I can add it. For this, I need to enable Gemini, and I need first of all, before you start to use Looker Studio Pro, you need to have your BigQuery property. So you create your Google Cloud, you register your BigQuery for your project, and then you allow Gemini for this project, and you need to enable Gemini in your Google Cloud as well. And after that, you can add subscription. It was simple form, so it was super easy, and done. And I have it for 1 month. I have it for free, and then I will have it for $9 per month per user. But I think actually already, I think it's worth it for companies if you have several people working in on dashboards. What changed after I bought my license? I have a Pro subscription button that I didn't have before, and here I can see that now I have Pro license only for myself, and I can add subscriptions. I can add more people into my company, and what is really cool already, what I see already that's cool, on the top I have this nice icon, and I can open it, and here we have Sandbox and Owned by Me. So I can create some sandbox reporting. I don't need to share it, so I can have reports for myself. I can share it with the company. And this good point, if you have your one of people from the company leave and you have to change one employee, you will not lose reports that this person created, because a company owns reports, not a person. So I think this is super cool. And another new thing that I see here, a part of this free trial thing, that I have in conversational analytics, and this I wanted to test. So let's do it together. So here we have chat with your data. Select data to begin. What do we have here? Here actually we have we could have here Google Sheets, and we can have BigQuery. So now I see only data sources that I own it, and it's only Google Sheets data sources. I can do connect data. We can connect Looker. Looker I don't have because it's enterprise solution. I have only Looker Studio for now. Looker Studio Pro. I have BigQuery and Google Sheets, and I can add some CSV file. But let's see. I think I would like to go to step back and check which features do you have. Own your, like, what's the difference with Looker Studio Pro? Own your organization's content. So I think this is what I said, that it about like control of dashboard. Organization has, not a person. Team workspace, a shared location, team collaboration, and to manage access and share Looker Studio content and share. So this is nice thing. How can I translate it to like simple language? Then I create a dashboard. I don't need to share it with my organization. I can share it with group, and I don't need to give individual access to dashboards. Automated report delivery. This is nice feature because normally I have one schedule for one dashboard. And let me open Looker Studio, any dashboard here. Okay, YouTube tutorial. This my simple dashboard, and share. What do we have here? Schedule delivery. Oh, new things that I have. Okay, schedule delivery, and now I can add more than 20. Schedule functional unlimited because the owner of this report doesn't have an active. Come on, I'm an owner of this dashboard. Okay, this is weird. So because they promised that I will have like up to 20 deliver schedules, and no, it's weird. Because I created this dashboard before sorry, before I edit schedule delivery, but I have pro license. Okay, let's create a new dashboard. Let's create a new dashboard. Owned by me report. Yeah, I want to create a new report. I want to add Google Analytics demo account. Okay, I can add my account. Even I don't care to share some data. It's my website, and I don't think that you can do something with this, to be honest. Okay, add to report. So I have pro license. Free form layout, responsible. Oh, this is okay. I will do a separate video for this. This is fun. So schedule delivery. Doesn't have an active Looker Studio Pro license. Okay. I will try to fix it, and maybe I will record a new video about pro delivery options, because I'm sure that I'm working from this. Wow. Okay, I already have some interesting allocation my workspace owned by me. Super interesting stuff. When I know how to fix it, I will record a separate video about schedule delivery and explain why it doesn't work. Okay, empower exploration with personal report links. That was, I think I saw it already, so this I can remove. Oh, so many nice, interesting things. If you do share, I can get personal report link. And this is a pro feature, and it works. So this is super nice because I can share. I can select another Google property, flood it. So I can change data range, and I can share personal link, and person can play around with dashboard, edit it, and it will not influence for the main dashboard. At least it's written here. Then Looker Studio mobile app. This is actually what I wanted to test, because it's something that I wanted. I will do a separate video for this, because this is I really wanted to test, and I think it's super nice if you're a business owner and you have access to your key metrics in real time from your mobile. And okay, this is a feature why I decided to test actually this Looker Studio Pro. Get help with cloud customer care. I don't need right now, but it's okay. And this is Gemini and Looker AI assistant. And this is how to get it. I already did. And this Gemini assistant that we can try. Connect to data. I want to connect to BigQuery. I need to authorize. Yes, I need to authorize. You don't see my password, so good. Wow. Yeah, I am authorized. I can select my I have my Google Analytics data, for example. Do I need to connect a special table? Oh, it's not nice. Would I have something in Sandbox? Do I have something interesting? Okay, we can connect Google Search Console data for test site impression and connect. So it is my test BigQuery account, so I don't have much data there. This is my Sandbox project, and I connected my Google Search Console data. What do I have here? I can, this is my conversation, Google Search Console test data. Here I can see that this is my table that I connected. I can view fields, and if I click to view fields, I go to my BigQuery Studio. And okay, so it's open my schema and I can see my schema. So I have like it's standard Google Search Console table. If you connected your Google Search Console to BigQuery, you will see the same. If you didn't connect it yet, please check my video how to do it, because I really, if you have website, I really recommend to do it. Okay. Let's see, what can we ask? Advanced analytics, enable core interpreter. Okay. I can ask, for example, show me my table schema. Let's see. The table schema includes the following fields. So I don't even need to open BigQuery, it's open for me. And can I ask the question, for example, how many clicks I had in April 25? Can I do it? How do you think? If Gemini can do it. This is really funny. I really like AI stuff and I'm fan of it. And I just use my main agent, but I can manage agents, and I think I can set up something for myself. So analysis complete. I will write a query. The question is, so it writes query, and I have answer in a BigQuery table, in like simple table, and I have an answer in the text. Wow, this is super nice. I don't need to write a query in BigQuery. I can just like use Gemini for this. This is funny. Let's try to ask something more complex. Like, what was the most pop? Do you have keywords here? Anonymized query. Yeah, I have query. What was the most popular query for my website in April 25? I think this question is more complicated. Let's see how it can answer. I will write a query for this question. Query. Nothing. This is silly, but it could expect it. Yeah. Please exclude. No, exclude. No. So I asked to exclude this default query. So super nice, because you see, I just continue conversation and he updated my question to exclude null values. Here's the query result. What is the marketing mix? Yeah, I agree. This request is really popular on my website. So I think it's correct. And I can update this question. So it seems really nice. And I'm querying my Google Search Console data without like talking to Gemini. So I think it's super cool feature, and it's worth it if you're not familiar with SQL syntaxes and you want to have access. For example, I'm I'm data analyst. I know how to work with SQL, but I want to give access to my marketing manager to understand which data do we have. And it's super nice because instead of ask questions to me, the person can ask question of Gemini and just connect your data source to AI bot and talk. Wow, I think it's really well. What do we have here more? We have data. Okay, it's just like right panel. I can open and show. I can remove the conversation. Preview advanced analytics. Okay, I will not do it right now. It's this video. It's already takes a lot of time. And manage agents. I think here it could be another video because it's like too much for this. But as you see, we can create our own agent to personalize, personalize it for your project. So this is super cool. I really like it. And $9 per person, it's really little money for company. So if you're a business and you have like at least 2-3 people working in Looker Studio, I think pro options really worth it. So I just don't clear for me the option about scheduling, but I will check it. Mobile app, I will check. I didn't check it right now with you, but even with features that we observe in this video, I think it's really worth it. You will need some technical support, I guess, to set up BigQuery. If you are not IT guy, if you're like more from manager, probably it's better to ask your data engineers or analytic person to set up it. If you need help, no, I will not tell this. So ask comment in this video. Yeah, I think if you're a company and you buy for resources, you already have analytic in your team, so it's fine. I think that's it for this video. I'm super happy that I set up this pro version. Hope you like this review and test this AI bot. I think it's super funny. And I will continue to test this product and will record new videos with other features because I'm super excited to observe it. That's it. Thank you. Subscribe for my channel, give like to this video, subscribe for my blog. I have a free Looker Studio template for subscription. And see you soon. Bye bye.